Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Olga Vitkovskaya. You're watching Forex TV channel.
This is the combined outlook of the currency and equities market for the previous week.
What can you say about the Forex market behavior during the previous week, Anna?
Last Friday, the American dollar was trading downward versus the main rivalries due to the employment report being better than predicted.
What can be said about other majors?
The European Common Unit improved its positions and the Spanish and Italian two-year bond yield increased. The dollar index declined to 82.39 pips from Thursday mark of 83.32 pips, having finished the second straight week with falling. On Friday, the US Labor Department informed that in July, 163,000 jobs were created, which is above the forecasted figure of 63,000. Moreover, another indicator of the US dollar position versus most popular global currencies, WSJ index, declined to 71.51 points from 72.20 points recorded on Thursday. A day after, the ECB President Mario Draghi disappointed the markets, revealing no concrete steps of debt crisis mitigation in the area. The euro rebounded to the mark of 1.2375 from 1.2180. The rumors of Spain to possibly ask for a bailout from the European Stability Facility also enhanced the European currency rate. Nevertheless, during the press conference, the Prime Minister of Spain, Mariano Rajoy, informed that by far the final decision hadn't been taken and he was waiting for a more precise bond purchasing plan from the ECB, including other measures. Among other important pairs, we should mention the pound, which cost $1.5644, rising from 1.5515. The Australian dollar was bought at 1.0555, while on Thursday it cost $1.0460. Weekly, the currency gained about 1%. As for the Japanese yen, the greenback cost 78.59, having ascended from the mark of 78.20 points hit at the trading session in New York on Thursday.
Thank you for the review of the Forex market.
You're welcome. So what trends prevailed on the stock markets?
The American stock market showed upside move on Friday.
And what triggered the growth?
A strong report on newly created jobs, which exceeded the predictions, as well as positive news from Europe. The financial sector was noticed for high results. Thus, the shares of Knight Capital Group added 57% and were traded at $4.5 after the recorded plunge that had been observed for two previous sessions. The quotes moved upwards amid the reports that the company got a credit after incurred losses of $440 million, which was reasoned by the technical malfunctioning. Still, during the week, the shares of the financial corporation dropped by 61%. At the same time, the shares of the American International Group company grew by 1.6% on Thursday. The insurance giant reported in advance of the net profit by 27% to the mark of $2.3 billion in Q2. Though the US Treasury stated that it was ready to sell the possessed AIG shares for the amount of $4.5 billion, out of which AIG is intended to buy out shares for $3 billion. To remind you, in 2008, the American authorities bought the shares of AIG in order to save the company from the financial crisis. These were the major trends of the last week on the stock market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
You were watching the weekly review of Forex and stock markets prepared by InstaTV News team
and presented to you by Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Watch us next week. Goodbye.
Goodbye.